transforming your skin, your mood, and even your day in less time than it takes to scroll through your social feed. This isn't just about products, and it isn't about following a boring checklist. This is a ritual that resets your brain, reduces your stress, and gives you glowing skin, all in just 5 minutes. If that sounds impossible, stay with me, because once you try this, you'll never look at skincare the same way again. Why 5 minutes is the sweet spot? Most people think skincare has to be a long, complicated process. Either you end up drowning in a 10-step routine that feels overwhelming, or you go too basic with just soap and moisturizer. The truth? Both extremes fail. Your skin doesn't need endless products, and your brain doesn't need another chore on the to-do list. What you need is balance, a small window of time that refreshes your skin and resets your mind. That's why 5 minutes is the perfect number. It's quick enough to fit into any schedule, but intentional enough to actually make a difference. Step 1. The 20-second reset splash. Forget the typical cleanse. This starts with something simple but powerful, a splash of cool water. For 20 seconds, use upward motions to massage your cheeks and forehead. What this does is wake up your lymph flow, stimulate circulation, and bring a natural flush to your skin. Think of it like an energy boost that doubles as skincare. It's refreshing, it wakes you up, and it sets the tone for the rest of your day. Step 2. Skin food in a drop. Now that your skin is awake, it's time to feed it. Instead of layering 5 different serums, stick to one multi-active serum that has niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and peptides. Just one drop spreads easily across the face and gives you hydration, repair, and anti-aging benefits all at once. This skincare is simple. Less clutter on your shelf, less confusion about what to use, and more results in less time. One drop really is enough to make your skin feel nourished and alive. Step 3. The 60-second oxygen trick. Here's where this Take a deep breath as you press, then slowly release as your skin absorbs the product. This 1-minute ritual connects your skin and your mind. You're not only helping the serum absorb better with oxygen flow, but you're also calming your nervous system. Think of it as meditation for your skin. 1 minute of deep focus that changes how both your face and your mood feel. Step 4. The barrier hug. Next comes moisturizer. Don't overthink it. Choose a lightweight one that spreads easily and locks in hydration. As you apply it, imagine giving your skin a hug. That's exactly what it does. It strengthens your skin barrier and tells your body, you're safe, you're cared for. This one step prevents irritation, dryness, and the damage caused by everyday stress. In under 30 seconds, you've sealed in all the goodness from your serum and created a smooth base for the day ahead. Step 5. Invisible armor. This is non-negotiable SPF. No matter your skin type, tone, or the weather outside, sunscreen is your invisible armor. Without it, every step before becomes useless. SPF protects your glow from sun damage, early aging, and hidden skin stress you might not even notice. Blend it in and watch how it gives you that natural lit from within finish. It's protection and radiance in one. Why this works now? Let's zoom out. 5 intentional minutes, that's all it takes. But why does it work? Because it's more than skincare. It's a reset button for your day. You're not just putting on products, you're building a habit that rewires your confidence. When you look in the mirror and see skin that feels alive, your energy shifts. You stand taller, you feel more in control, and you carry that glow into everything else you do. The difference is not just on your face, it's in the way you show up in the world. Challenges. Here's my challenge to you. Try this for 7 mornings straight. Just 5 minutes. No excuses, no overthinking. At the end of the week, check your reflection and notice how not only your skin, but also your mood has shifted. If you don't feel different inside and out, I'll be shocked. And if you loved this and want more glow hacks that actually work, hit that subscribe button right now. Because this is just step 1.